Ephphatha Be Open Church. Ephphatha Be Open Church present 21 days of restoration, starting from the 7th of February to the 27th of February. From Monday to Friday, we are meeting here from 5:30 to 7:30, and Sunday morning service start from 9 o'clock to 11. Come experience, come witness, come see the power of God, the power of restoration, to restore what was within you, to restore what you have lost, what the devil have captured away from you, what was taken away. Ephphatha Be Open Church. Ephphatha Be Open Church. The house of God, the house of prayer, the house of praise, the house of healing, the house of miracle, the house of deliverance, the house of worship. Join us on our 21 days of restoration, and God will restore your finance, your life, your studies, your health. Everything that devil has taken away from you will be restored. Everything that was lost within you will be restored. Come. Don't forget to bring someone along with you, because when you are blessed, may the person next to you be blessed as well. When you are restored, your family also be restored. Come in numbers. Do not miss this opportunity of restoration, month of restoration. God will visit you. God will restore whatever that was in your life that was dead. Ataka wa madese